previously, we looked at the knee strikes, yeah? The knee strikes, remember the knee strikes that we did in the first couple of sessions? So this time, what I want you to do, you just watch me first of all. You're gonna have your right leg in front. You're gonna interlock your hands around the attacker's neck and head, and you're gonna pull in as you drive your knee forward, yeah? So watch this again, so it's knee strike going in towards the body, then you're gonna twist and turn the attacker and relocate the attacker to this position, and then drive another knee in, and then grab the back of the head, and fist planted by the shoulder, and use the inwards elbow strike towards the side of the head, yeah? So, with the knee strike, first of all, you've got this force going in, and this force going forwards. So this should be one action, yeah? With the elbow strike, inwards elbow strike, clasp your fist in by the shoulder like so, yeah? And you're using the instep of the elbow like so in towards the attacker. So this hand here is grabbing the head and you're driving the elbow in. Temple, jaw area again. So watch me again. So I've got my right leg in front, interlock around the attacker's head and neck, knee strike in, turn and relocate the attacker, knee strike again, and then elbow towards